A federal appeals court in Washington, D.C. rejected Mr. Trump's legal claim that the former president is immune from criminal charges for his efforts to overturn the 2020 election results.
Donald Trump does not have presidential immunity in his criminal case stemming from January 6th.
Donald Trump is not immune from prosecution for alleged crimes he committed during his presidency to reverse the 2020 election results, a federal appeals court said Tuesday. The ruling is a major blow to Trump's key defense thus far in the federal election subversion case brought against him by special counsel Jack Smith. The former president had argued that the conduct Smith charged him over was part of his official duties as president and therefore shield him from criminal liability. For the purpose of this criminal case, former President Trump has become Citizen Trump, with all of the defenses of any other criminal defendant. But any executive immunity that may have protected him while he served as president no longer protects him against this prosecution, the court wrote. The ruling from the three-judge panel was unanimous. The three-judge panel who issued the ruling Tuesday includes two judges, J. Michelle Childs and Florence Pan, who were appointed by Joe Biden, and one, Karen LaCraft Henderson, who was appointed by George H.W. Bush. In a statement Tuesday, Trump spokesman Stephen Chung said to expect an appeal. President Trump respectfully disagrees with the D.C. Circuit's decision and will appeal it in order to safeguard the presidency and the Constitution, Chung said.
The attack on our nation's capital on January 6, 2021, was an unprecedented assault on the seat of American democracy.
Special counsel Jack Smith charged him with 4 federal counts related to his efforts to overturn the 2020 election.
As described in the indictment, it was fueled by lies. Lies by the defendant targeted at obstructing a bedrock function of the U.S. government.
The court is giving Trump until February 12th to file an emergency stay request with the Supreme Court, which would stop the clock while his attorneys craft a more substantive appeal on the merits. If he is successful with that, the criminal trial will not resume until after the High Court decides what to do with his request for a pause. If proven, the court wrote, Trump's efforts to usurp the 2020 presidential election would be an unprecedented assault on the structure of our government.